How's everybody doing today? I'm getting started, and this week I'm working on a new song lyrics, a little bit 80 pop, and that's a little bit of the intro of the song. And so I'm so excited. How's everybody doing? Leave a comment below. Listen, this week subscribe to my YouTube page. Be inspired. I got some really cool avant-garde, kind of a little rock and roll, a little soulful music, a little. I mean, I call it like genres. Like there's like I don't want to be in a box, so I want to be able to do a couple of songs, different styles, things that I feel, things that just call out to me, get my attention or inspires me, so I can inspire you. Music heals the soul. I've talked about that. It heals the soul. And so this week, to be uplifted, check out Barbara Campbell music. You're going to want to do that. I'm coming to you. It's Be Live on Air, Barbara Campbell Television. Support us on YouTube. And today I'm recording for Hello Mid and Brooklyn Records. And so the season is happening. The holiday is happening, and I want to catch you before you leave for your holiday. Make sure you get a chance to download a few of Barbara Campbell music and play that for your family. Enjoy the music and the vibe. All right, everybody. Till then, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn, and you from around the world. Thank you so much. I appreciate all my fans, my music supporters, those that have been guiding me through and really supported me. Thank you so much. Behind the scene, I do the work, put together. I got to practice. That's the latest. I got to practice, and get ready for this beautiful live movement that's going to be happening all around the world. So I hope to be in your city, in your state, singing, performing, even if it's one song, because this is all so new to me. This is so new to me, and it's really up to the Lord what He has planned for me and what He wants me to do exactly. All right, but till then, I'm here. I'll see you on the next minute. Be Live on Air, Barbara Campbell, independent digital music creator, coming to you from Brooklyn, New York, Grand Heights. Bye bye. Till then, you got your ass. Stay in Brooklyn.